What's up, everyone? It's been a while since I made a video. I got all my teeth out a couple weeks ago. Today I'm gonna go kayaking. Alright, let's go kayaking. Alright, so I'm down here by the water. Last time I was here, this boat ramp was closed off because it was flooded. All this was underwater, and the backpack camp is actually right over there. I had to kayak all the way from the other side of the lake, which is around them trees, and then all the way down there to the marina. Today, I want to kayak over to that island, just kind of check it out, see if I can get on it or something. Then I'll probably head on over to the backpack camp, just kind of check out that area again. I want to go camping out here again, hopefully tomorrow night, but we'll see. I'm gonna get this thing in the water and get paddling. I'm out here in the middle of the lake, and there's the island right there, backpack camp over there. But kind of battling a crosswind right now. The wind's blowing that way and I'm trying to go that way. But get over to that island and kind of look around. You got to be a little careful around here because you got dead trees, you know, just sticking up out of the water. Some of them are just barely sticking up, you can barely see them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get off on the island. Right now I don't see a good spot, but I'll paddle around and just look around some more. Looks like a little beach area right here. Alright, I'm gonna get on the island. There's a little beach area right there at the end. So I'm gonna paddle real fast, get the front of the kayak up on it. There we go. I'm on the island. Gonna grab this and pull it up before I lose it. Alright. You know, one thing I always wondered about this little island is, are there ticks on this island? Do they ride on birds? Do birds have ticks? I don't know. Kind of a little interesting thought I had. I would absolutely love to clear this little spot out here and camp right here on the island. That would be awesome. Even though I get the same experience pretty much over there at the backpack camp, you know, next to the water, but this is an island. I don't want to get too far up in here. I don't know if I'd get in trouble or not, but I'm not harming anything. I think it's time to fly the drone. Well, I made it through the drone flight. Alright, so I'm going to pack up and head on over to that backpack camp now. When I went camping here last year, part of this backpack camp was underwater too. Mostly just the bank area and a couple trees sticking out of the water. I'm at the backpack camp now, and it looks a lot different because when I was here last year, all this was underwater. The water is actually up over this. I'd like to come up here again and camp. Had my tent right over here last time. I still need to come out here and hike the trail too. So a little bit of backstory on my teeth. They were bad. I mean, it was my fault. I didn't take care of them. They had to come out. But I'm happy and I can look at the camera. It doesn't bother me now. I'd rather have no teeth than bad teeth. It's kind of weird, but I'm getting used to it. Well, I'm gonna head on back to the boat ramp. I might come back here tomorrow for camping. There we go. Made it back to the storage. If you like this video and you want to see more, check out my other videos too. I'm up to 74 subscribers now, so that's awesome. Thanks for that. I'll see you again next time.